Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Zoho Creator app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Zoho Creator is a low-code app development platform that lets users build custom business applications without needing to be a professional programmer. From form-based apps to full-fledged workflows and dashboards, the platform allows drag-and-drop designing, automation with Deluge scripting, and integration with other Zoho tools and third-party services. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users appreciate the flexibility to create apps tailored to their business needs, with minimal coding involved. The app works well for managing inventory, CRM tasks, order processing, and even internal HR systems. The mobile version syncs with desktop apps, and data updates in real time across platforms. That said, it's not perfect. Some users feel the learning curve is steep, especially when diving into Deluge scripting for more advanced features. There are also occasional bugs in the mobile app interface, and certain UI elements may feel outdated. App load times can be longer depending on the complexity of your workflows. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Zoho Creator is a powerful tool for businesses or individuals looking to build and run custom apps without heavy development work. It's feature-rich, scalable, and integrates well, but beginners may need a bit of patience to unlock its full potential. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.